Hello, in front of me I've got MG ZS. In this video I'll show you how to connect dedicated app with car. To connect dedicated app with car, firstly let's go to menu and select bind vehicle. On your smartphone, download MG iSmart app and select bind the vehicle. Here you can scan this QR code and next you can open the app and scan the QR code. Once it is on your app, connect to your account. You can sign account via Google account and it's basically done. Now you can manage your car via app. You can unlock doors, manage AC airflow, find your car, manage climate control, seat heating. You can rescue car and manage manuals. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.